everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. It's going to be bell pepper rice, or we can call it capsicum or Simla Mirch rice. I have all colored bell pepper, green, orange, yellow, red. These are large bell peppers, so I'm using half of it. Ginger, garlic, green chili, 1 teaspoon each. Cumin seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, half teaspoon each. Half onion, salt to taste, and you can use it if you want to. I'm not using it. The reason being, I'm going to use hoisin sauce and soy sauce and olive oil for tadka. In this recipe, please use the rice, the one you cooked day before. It gives you the perfect and the best result. So without wasting in time, let's get started. Get a karahi and start gas. Add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin. Give like 10 seconds. Add ginger, garlic, green chili. Mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep moving and keep cooking. And we're going to cook onion for only 2 minutes. We don't need to cook onion too long. We're going to keep the onion fresh. Cooking onion for 2 minutes, this is how they look. This is all we need. Add cumin powder, coriander powder. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is good. Now bring all the bell pepper, green, orange, red, yellow. Mix it well. And we're going to saute bell pepper on high gas for a couple minutes. With the help of 2 spoons, it will keep mixing, keep sauteing, just like this. Cooking bell pepper for 2 minutes. This is all we need. I'll add rice. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add hoisin sauce. Add soy sauce. This is the reason I don't want to add any salt into this dish. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to low, which is simmer. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. On low gas, which is simmer, I'll open the lid, mix it well. Our quick and easy and super fast and super tasty dish is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Super delicious. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy, delicious vegetarian bell pepper rice is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.